Crossing. Something has little dots like that.
When you first get the tablet and you turn it on, when you hit the button, the top button, it takes you to a menu bar. You have camera, you got photo, video, music, player, and story time. But there's more bubbles, more to move on the side. You got key knowledge, cards, recorder, calculator, calendar, time tool, and torch. And then you keep turning it, and there's also other games that you can play with. So we're gonna go games. On games, they got a couple of games in here. We're gonna hit one here, new level, and we're gonna get ready to play. So what you gotta do in this one, you gotta collect the coins. On the side menu, you can always go to camera. On the camera, you could stay a selfie camera, or you could take a forward camera. You can save them as favorite, and to take a picture, it'll be this button here. 2 in 1, 2 videos in 1.
I use this all night. On this tablet, it has a bunch of games. It has music time, story time, like a bunch of cool stuff, and I love it so much.
What's your favorite?
Story time.
Why?
Because it talks about ancient stories.
Wow. And it's kid friendly. You can include your headsets, your headphones if you want. Very simple to use. It has perfect for timing, stop playing button, and many features. Small for hands, 2-way cameras, one in the back, one in the front. Very simple to use. Off and on button here, and easy to charge. On the top, Type C. Very simple, will last you for many hours. Hope you guys enjoy the video.